Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss one sample t-test and how we can apply one sample t-test in SPSS. So the other name for one sample t-test is single sample t-test, means a test in which we have only single sample and that we will compare from the population. So if suppose I have collected the weight of the men. So I have a data of 30 respondents. In that I have collected the weight for the male respondents. And now I'm interested in comparing the mean weight of the respondents from the population mean. So for the purpose I have to apply here one sample t-test. And if suppose my hypothesis is H0 indicates mu is not equals to mu 0. So what is mu? Mu is the population mean and mu 0 is the sample mean. So the other way of making this hypothesis is there is no significant difference or there is no difference in sample mean and population mean. So this is the hypothesis which is stating in the word form and this is the hypothesis which is in the symbol form. So both the hypotheses are same. So here, firstly, I need to tell you what is the condition of applying the one sample t-test. So whatever variable I am interested in, that should be measured on either interval scale or ratio scale. I'm interested in testing the weight of males. So here my variable is weight. So weight is a variable which is measured on ratio scale. So the condition is fulfilled. Now we are going to apply one sample t-test in SPSS. So for that I am moving towards the SPSS window. So here I am with the SPSS data set. You can see here we have one variable that is weight. So you need to check the weight variable is measured on the scale, means the measurement for the weight is scale. So this is a ratio scale variable. Now how you can apply the one sample t-test? For that you need to go on the analyze menu and then you need to select compare means and from this you need to select one sample t-test. So when you will click on one sample t-test, one dialog box will appear here. So you can see here at the left hand side the variable of our data set is listed here and at the right hand side there is test variable. So we need to transfer this weight variable into the test variable box and then we need to give here the test value. That means we need to give here the average population value here or the population mean we need to give here. So in India, as I have told you, we have collected the data for the male respondents. So in India, the average weight for the male is 65 kg. So that means now I am comparing the sample mean from the population mean. Now you need to go to the options button and here you need to check the confidence interval percentage. It is by default 95%. In SPSS, if you want to make any changes in 95%, you can change, you can set it as 90% or 99%, but I'm okay with 95%. And then in the missing values, exclude cases analysis by analysis is by default selected. So this should be selected. I'm okay with this. So you just need to click on continue and you don't need to touch anything here. You just need to press OK. The output window of SPSS will give you the test result. So here we are with the two tables. The first one is the statistics table of the one sample t-test. In that you can see the variable is weight. Sample size is 30. This is the mean weight and this is the standard deviation of the weight. The main table is this table, second table. In that you can find the value of t-test and its corresponding significant value, which is 0.495. So you have to compare this 0.495 by the 5% level of significance. So this significant value is greater than 0.05. So this is indicating that means we have to accept the null hypothesis. And what was the null hypothesis? The null hypothesis was there is no significant difference in the sample mean and the population mean. Mean whatever sample we have collected, that is representing the population. So this way friends, in this video I have discussed one sample t-test. I hope this video will help you to understand one sample t-test. Thank you friends for watching this video. Subscribe my channel Dr. Chanchal Jain, and if you want any other video from my side, you can comment in the comment section. Please like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much once again. Happy learning to all.